When you're responsible for maintaining the health, stability, and security of your Azure environment, it's not enough to just track performance metrics or application trends. You also need to know when something changes in your infrastructure. That's where activity log alerts become essential. Activity log alerts allow you to be notified when a specific event happens on a resource in your Azure subscription. Imagine someone spinning up a new virtual machine, assigning elevated roles, or deleting a critical resource. You'll want to be the first to know. These alerts help you stay in control of what's changing, by whom and when. As an Azure administrator, you'll want to explore how activity log alerts can help your team respond quickly to operational events and improve the overall resilience of your infrastructure. Whether you're monitoring for unauthorized access or getting ahead of a planned Azure maintenance window, these alerts give you that extra visibility. There are two main types of activity log alerts you can configure. First, specific operations. These apply to activities that affect Azure resources, like virtual machine modifications, storage account deletions, or role assignments. You might configure an alert to trigger whenever a VM is powered up or a new user is added to a privileged group. These types of alerts operate at the resource group, or subscription level, depending on how you define the scope. Second, service health events. These keep you informed when Microsoft itself is reporting issues within the Azure platform. You can get alerted for incidents, planned maintenance, or health advisories for specific regions or services. This ensures you are aware of platform level disruptions as early as possible, even before they impact your workloads. When setting up an activity log alert, you will define several attributes to fine-tune what you're watching for. These include the category, like administrative or policy, the resource type, such as a VM or key vault, the operation name, severity level, event status, and even who triggered the event. You can filter by user or service identity to detect specific actions by specific actors. To create one, you start by choosing activity log as the signal type, then narrow down the list of signals based on your needs. For example, just administrative operations for virtual machines. This makes it easy to define exactly what kind of behavior should trigger the alert. For service health alerts, the process is slightly different. You don't need to pick a specific resource. Instead, you target Azure regions and services. You can choose to be notified of platform-wide issues like service outages, planned maintenance, or general advisories. After selecting the relevant service events, you complete the alert setup just like any other alert, including naming the alert and assigning an action group for notification or response. Whether you are using activity log alerts to monitor resource changes or platform health, you are adding a crucial layer of situational awareness to your monitoring strategy. These alerts aren't based on performance metrics or query results. They're based on events that actually happened, giving you a real-time window into changes and health across your Azure environment.